Today is 27th of June 2019. Here's Mississauga of Ontario, Canada. I'm now making a video about the CompoPonics CBS1000 bioreactor system. Here we can see there are mainly a few important parts. Here, the two black barrels serve as composting chambers, and over there are two black oval tanks that will serve as wicking beds. And on top there are four hydroponics glowing pipes, and over the end there are another black barrel, and I will show there will be there is a sump tank, and top is a loft board for correct raining water. Now here we'll see on top of the composting barrel is a feed port. The feed port have a double close design. And when take off the top closer, the second closer. So this feature is for preventing flies and odors inside the compost chamber to come outside. When we feed waste, we put waste here, and then we cover the top lid, and then we turn off the second closer, drop the waste, then let it come back. So the way there is a resonant vibrator agitated inside each chamber. There are videos to show that. I will not show today here. And under the composting barrels, there is a rectangular tank for receiving the particles and the liquid generated from the top composting chambers. And the liquid will flow through this pipe. Yeah, here, go to the wicking bed. Go to the wicking bed, and then go to the other one. Wicking bed for glowing, and the liquid will flow back through this pipe. To a sump tank. So let's go to the other side. Connect with the sump tank. For this pipe is connect with the water pump. The water was pumped up through this pipe to the top hydroponics glowing pipes, and will flow. Liquid flow back from this pipe. Yeah. From this pipe go back to the composting chamber. Therefore, the water is recirculated in the whole system to supply the nutrients from the waste into the glowing plants. Here now it is working is the air pump. Working here. The air pump is connected with a T connected into both the wicking bed and through this. Yeah, this pipe goes this way. Go this way to come here. Yeah, come here. So to supply air and oxygen into the receiving tank and the composting chambers. So there is here on top of this barrel there is a loft board for collecting rainwater. The rainwater will collected and stored in this reservoir tank. and will supply into the sump tank through this pipe. So there is a level valve connect with this pipe. So like a toilet, when the water level inside the sump tank is lower, it auto supply water into the system. Here we can find the exit for the water reservoir tank. If there is too much water here, it will discharge from this exit. Also, connect with the sump tank, there is another exit for discharge extra water in the sump tank. So the system is powered by the DC 12 volt 50 watts of solar panel connect into a battery. Here in the battery, and there's a 2 9-amp-hours battery, totally 18 amp-hours, and controlled by a solar charge controller and a timer. Okay, this system almost do everything to recycling the food and organic waste into organic vegetables. It almost do everything. So what we need to do is do a little bit of gardening, a little bit. So this shows how it works. Okay, that's it.